Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an error in AMD Radeon Software. It says this version is not compatible. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to your display adapters. Click on the drop down. Locate AMD. Right click on it and click on Update. And once done, click on Search automatically for drivers. Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just go back. Now click on Browse. Click on Let me pick from a list. Now go ahead and locate AMD, okay? Once you have it located, just hit on Next and your screen should flicker. It's totally fine. Just close it and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Go ahead and type in Update AMD graphics card, hit on enter, and once done, click on this one from AMD itself, drivers and support for processors and graphics, okay? Click on it and just click on download Windows driver. A download page should pop up. Just go to save it wherever you want, hit on save, and then just open the installer from here. Once the installer is opened, just click on additional options right here. Or if you want to, if you don't want further troubles, you can go ahead and click on accept and express install, okay? If not, you can just go ahead and click on, again, additional options and select drivers only or driver only. You can go ahead and untick this one and then just hit on accept. And once done, just wait for the process to finish. And after that, go ahead and restart your computer, okay? Restart. And once done, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.